Tonight, it's all about the scare. Are you guys ready to get scared? I've got Brent, I've got Dylan with me in the WKRG mobile, the station vehicle. We're here at Rich's Car Wash, not only to get a car wash, but also to go through the Tunnel of Terror. So we're going in, guys. Give me a wave. Oh no, not with you. I will see y'all on the other side, if we make it out. Oh my gosh, that thing's looking scary.
Somebody help me!
All right, guys. Oh my gosh, this looks terrifying.
Oh man, it's already intense.
Yes. We didn't do it.
So creepy. That's so creepy. Look at that. Is that person real? That's a real person.
It looks like blood. I know it's coming, I know it's coming, I know it's coming, I know it's coming.
It's just wrong.
No, it would be wrong. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I mean, if you don't have your doors locked, they will come in.
I know. So it's a good thing that we have our doors locked because they are banging on our windows and opening our doors, or trying to at least, and it's a legit car wash. So, soap would be inside. Oh my gosh, that really did just get me. Oh my gosh. Oh look, that's cool. Oh my gosh. That looks so cool with the black lights.
Hey, look, there's an alien.
No.
Right there.
No. Look at the other way. Oh my gosh.
It's right there.
Oh my gosh. They're coming from all the sides. Oh,
There's so many people in here.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that is terrifying. What is that? What is that?
Oh, there's somebody up here. Because he just peeked out.
No.
He's waiting for us.
Oh, he's got little, it's horns or something. Oh my gosh, it's a, what is that? Oh, it's a werewolf. Oh my gosh. It's a good thing it's not a full moon. Oh my gosh. What is this thing?
Tori, I'm going to unlock your door.
No. Oh my goodness, y'all.
You're going to be the worst clown alive.
Oh my gosh. He said free hugs. Ah! He wants a hug. No, not for me. No. Oh my
Oh, good gracious.
goodness.